Hello, I'm here to review the microfiber exercise towels with S&T Inc. So I'm very excited about this product. It's a pack of 6 towels. My color is gray. As you can see here, it's 16 by 27 inches. I would like to show you here the length of the towel. Is pretty spacious, pretty big. And this is a must-have for the gym. I enjoy going to the gym. My husband likes going to the gym, and after sweating, after performing a whole bunch of exercises, you can, wipe your face, wash your hands, every area of your body that is super sweaty. Also, if you're going to run, you can put this in your gym bag. It's very helpful. So all you have to do is clean it, make sure you wash it before you use it. And then this is very absorbent, it's gentle on the skin, and it's machine washable with light colors in cold water. Don't iron, don't use bleach. And it's a very useful towel. I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.